Howdy. For my mini project too, I decided to talk about Aggie traditions, mainly because last year my freshman experience class wanted to learn more about Aggie traditions, and I thought this would just really be a cool experience for them. So the first thing I did was labeled my experience Aggie Traditions Experience, and I started with introducing the traditions and just beginning with choosing your favorite logo, which I thought would be a fun poll. So I have that set up. I did a traditional scene um, first and included the record vote and the poll, of course. um, and you can see where I tried it a couple times to make sure it was working. Then I went into which Aggie tradition do you want to learn about first? And there's 5 different things to choose from here. Aggie terminology, Aggie band, bonfire, reveille, and oh, guess what? You're finished. Because all of these, when you pick one, it reverts you back to this screen. And then at the very end, once you've done all 4, then you can go finished and it takes you to the end experience. The first thing is terminology. And of course, there's a lot of terminology. And so when students click on each tab, it takes them to the next scene, and it talks a little bit about each term, and then when they're done, they just click Return to Aggie Terminology, and it goes through all 5 of these till it gets to this one, and it's actually going to turn them to Return to Aggie Traditions Categories, which is this screen. And so now we've learned all about Aggie terminology. We're going to go to Aggie band next. So when you click on that, then this comes up and it talks about the Fight in Texas Aggie band. I've included a YouTube video of a halftime drill. And then of course, that's going to come back here and it's going to go back to Return to Aggie Tradition Categories, which is this. Then you'll click on the next one, the Bonfire Memorial, and here we go. We're going to learn about the bonfire. So there's a few where you're just going to click next at the end of these screens. It's just more informational than anything. And I thought it was just really cool. This button doesn't really go anywhere, but I just thought it's tradition. We will never forget. And then you'll click on Return to Aggie Categories. You'll go back to the categories, click on Reveille, and then we're going to learn about Reveille. Well, here she is. Some pictures of Reveille, some facts, and then there is the cemetery for Reveille. And it talks a little bit about Reveille as a mascot and who takes care of her. And just in case somebody picked categories out of order, I have this in here. Next, if done with all categories, then it'll take you to this next screen. Otherwise, you'll return to the traditions category and pick another category. So here is, what is your favorite Aggie tradition? Of course, this is another poll, and we're going to record that vote, and you can see where I've already tried it. And then, of course, I'm going to say, did you like this experience? Yes or no? And then if it's yes, it's going to go to, do you want to learn more about other Aggie traditions? And then other, is going to be routed down here so that they can actually type their response in. And all of it then is going to be routed to the end experience. And of course, it's going to be a Gigamags, right? Why else? What else would you end with? So when building this, I actually made all my screens first, and then I came back and um, put all my directions on there of all the buttons, where they go to. And so I just found it easier to do that. And I don't know. Um, I wanted it to be a little bit more interactive, not as wordy. But I mean, if you really want to learn about it, I mean, this is like, I guess this meets the requirement for that. So I'll try it this fall and see what happens. I might make some more. I'm considering making it a little bit shorter. I think it might be just a little bit long. But all in all, I think it'll work for what I need it for. So thank you for your time, and look for the QR code on the Google Doc. Have a nice evening.